Hi, fourth graders. Obviously, I am not there right now, but I decided to make a video to teach you how to play this game called 2B Division Capture. This one's another fun workplace game. Your goal is to get as many as you can of 3 or 4 in a row, either up and down, left to right, or diagonal. And if you have 4 in a row, those are worth 2 points. But if you can get 3 in a row, those are worth 1 point. So let's go ahead and practice playing the game. So first, you'll need each game is going to need a record sheet, which looks like this, and you're going to need a spinner and 2 colors. So what you're going to do is you're going to spin. So let's say I'm player 1, I spin a 2. Player 2 spins a 2 also, so it's a tie. So I spin a 4, player 2 spins a 6. So player 2 goes first. Okay, so whoever spins the higher number goes first. So how this game works is you spin a number. Let's say you spin 5. Where can 5 go on here? You have to pick one place that 5 goes into. So I know that 5, anything divided by 5, because this is all division here, anything divided by 5 ends either in a 5 or a 0. So I'm going to look for that. Let's try this. I see a 0 there. Is 12 times 5 60? I could use page 18 in my workbook, or I can count by 12. Luckily, I'm good at counting by 12, so I'm going to count by 12 5 times. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. It is 5. So once you find out that it's true, you're going to write 5 in it. So second player is red. Let's say your first player now. After that, you get to be the other player spins it. I get a 3. Where can 3 go in here to make it true? It has to be true. So 6 times 3 is not 12. 6 times 3 is not 24. 9 times 3, nope. 7 times 3? 7 times 3. I think that works. So I'm a different player, so I'm going to write 3 in here. And just to double check, I'm going to do my 3 song and see if it works 7 times. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. That's correct. All right, so now red player is going to go. They get a 6 again. Where else can 6 go to make this work? Right here. I think so. 6 times 6 is 36. I'm pretty positive about that. Again, I can use my page 18 to help me. 6 times 6. All right, let's go again. 5. Something in 5. 6 times 5 is not 12. 6 times 5, nope. 9 times 5, nope. 8 times 5, nope. 9 times 5, nope, is not that. 9 times 5? Let's try that. Counting by 5, 9 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. It's correct. And so I am blue. And you hear me whispering because Tate's asleep and I don't want to wake him up. I'm recording this video at night. 5. Okay, so you keep switching turns, and let's say that 36 divided by something, that's 3. And let's pretend that you got these in a row. I would circle this here. And then let's pretend that red got all of these. Okay. And let's say, oops, if red circled all of this, If you have 4 in a row, you get 2 points. If you get 3 in a row, you get 1 point. It also says it down here too. Okay, once this whole board, this whole thing is filled, you add up how many 3 in a rows and how many 4 in a rows you have. The player with the most points wins. So right now, it looks like player 2 won. All right, I'm going to show you how to use your workbook, page 18, to help for this, division capture. Why is this being weird? Okay, so let's pretend you have the problem 24 divided by blank equals 6. If you don't know what that is, you're going to go find a 6 right here. Okay, and then you're going to go all the way on the 6. It's going to count by 6 until you get to 24. Right there. How many times did it count by 6? It looks like it was 4 times. So notice how 4 and 6 met right here to make 24. So my answer would be 4 right here. Okay, so I can double check by going, is 6 times 4 24? 6 and 4 meets right here to make 24. Let's try this one. 21 divided by something equals 7. How can I use this table here to help me find the answer? Well, I know it needs to go by 7, so I'm going to find 7. And I'm going to go all the way till I find 21. Right here. Where does it meet? 7 times what gives me 21? If I go over, it gives me 3. I can also do it the other way too. I can start 7 this way and go all the way till I find 21. And if I see where it meets, it's 3 also. You can use either way. So you can use your page 18 to help you play this workplace game. Okay? If you have time, you'll get to partner up and play with a partner. I hope you enjoy this game, and I sure hope that you are treating our guest teacher awesome today. I can't wait to read the subnotes. Bye!